back here at Summer Landing, and the pool is a little rough this morning, but yet the seas are pretty calm. But there's swells, and it's a little rough. All right, well, good morning. Terry's on a mission.
It's a Terry day.
It's a Terry day.
I'm doing everything Terry wants to do.
Terry got up early. We both got up early. Then I did too. I was awake. I didn't. God, I'm gonna throw her
Stayed in the
overboard.
room for about 20 minutes ago.
But anyway, I was watching a movie. But anyway, so she's already had her workout. She already had her donut. At 9:30, she's going to get beignets at Emerald's. And
Deli.
And it's not really warm out here. It's not.
No,
it's not cold, but it's yeah.
It's only like 9 o'clock and the sun's not out yet, so maybe it'll warm up.
Yeah, as you can see behind us, it's cloudy, but it's like I said, it's not cold, but it's cool. Too cold to go into that water, because that water is actually rough, but yet the seas aren't. Okay, but anyway, so next thing up is her beignets. But I'm going to show you something. Do not eat these on this ship.
What?
I'm going to go show them.
What?
The powdered eggs. They are disgusting.
He tried
Absolutely
eating
disgusting.
He tried eating yesterday.
Yeah, don't eat them. Go to the omelet bar and get them to make you real eggs.
3 fried eggs is what I got
3 fried
yesterday.
eggs. Or if you're a pig like me, you get 4 fried eggs. But all right, I'll show you that in a second.
Okay.
All right, we'll see you.
Bye-bye.
Don't hide. I just want to show this. All right, so these are the eggs. Don't eat those. Those are disgusting. But there's the rest of the stuff. We got cheese, and now this is in the Pig and Anchor. They have breakfast down here too. And then it turns into a barbecue place. And then there's your Danishes. And then you have your cereals and your milk. And then right down here, you have your waters, your coffees, your juices, and then you can go get a drink. But don't eat the eggs. They're horrible. Absolutely disgusting. These girls are already on a roll, and we're having sushi here in a couple of hours. But look, she's happy. 2 days in a row, she got her beignets. I got all. I can't get it all.
Kathy's trying to...
So here's your cooking classes.
Wow. That would be fun.
They get to make it, and then they get to sit over there and eat it.
I still see like a couple.
I am with Dave and Judy, and they're here on the Mardi Gras with us, having a great time. It's almost over.
Almost.
Are you doing it back to back?
No.
Good, because I'd be very jealous if you were. Alrighty, so what's your favorite YouTube channel?
Party of Two Cruising.
That's what I thought, not Coach. All right, well, thanks.
All right.
See you later.
Yeah.
So we got free sushi up to $50. So what you do is bring your friends to sushi. Where's Mark? There he is over there. All right, so we spent $49 or $50.50. So we're gonna owe him 50 cents.
50 cents.
All right, we love sushi. I'll bring it to you. Right, babe? Tell them. We'll bring it to them. All right. And then the party starts because it's the last day. And we got to wait another 13 days before we go on another one. Jesus. Here we are eating edamame. Edamame. Everybody's got some. They're so good. They're basically otherwise known as split pea. Everybody got sushi.
Not everybody.
Not us.
Everybody got sushi. Mark already ate half a head. I'm waiting on Terry before I eat mine, and she got nothing. Terry got, what did you get?
I'm not Terry.
I mean, Kathy. Zip it. She got, I know some of it, sushi,
It's called a bento box.
and then raw fish. Mark's still eating California rolls. spicy tuna, California rolls. Already ate all those. They're all empty. And Terry got California rolls, and she's got a soup coming. That is a miso salmon from Mark. That guy. He's confused.
You only ordered 2 things, so this.
This could be heaven or this could be hell. What are you doing, babe?
We're at the fortune teller bar listening to this guy we really like.
Really good. Really good. Matt Ford. Really good. Come on the Mardi Gras. Come see Matt Ford. He plays here and he plays back at the Pig and Anchor. All right, here's a preview. Here we are with Patrick. We've done this before, and he was on the Paradise. We're on the Mardi Gras. I'm Patrick. You're not Patrick. You can't be Patrick because I'm Patrick.
Which is a real Patrick? Please stand up. Where you from, Patrick?
Mount Gilead, North Carolina.
Yeah, baby.
What is the odds of us being on the same 2 cruises?
That's funny. I'm glad to see you, Patrick, and Patrick, and Patrick, and Patrick, and Patrick.
Oh, that's a lot of Patricks.
A lot of trouble.
All right.
A lot of
Cool.
trouble.
What's your next one?
Next one's gonna be probably on this one again.
Do not say the Venencia next in 2 weeks. Don't say the Venencia in 2
He did
weeks.
not say it. He didn't
That's
say
where we're going.
it. He said this shit.
All right, cool.
Thank you, Patrick. Thank you.
Yep. This is Crazy Lady.
Hi Patrick, I don't know if tomorrow you still remember this video taken, but this is Lee. I enjoyed the cruise with you. Love you, see you soon.
All right, here we are at the what's this
Stage
called?
bar.
Center stage.
Bar.
Center stage bar.
We had a great week.
We had a great
Mardi
week
Gras.
with Mark and Kathy and Terry and me and
And
Jen
Don't forget
and
Jen.
Deb.
It's been a great week with all
We
our
had a
friends.
great
and
time.
Daniel and Lee and Terry Lee and all our friends who made
She's
it.
just going crazy. And Daniel's here at the bar, but we'll do a video with him and
I am
Lee.
not crazy. Say I'm not crazy.
Oh, you're not crazy.
No, I'm not. We had a great week. We had a great week on the Mardi Gras. It's our favorite trip so far. We're having fun, but it did not until last night.
Cheers to 102 cruises.
I had a great time with my lovey. Thank you, lovey.
I had love time with you.
And tonight we're going to casino for 1 more hour.
We'll bring that to you, and we're going to see what we can do in
Hopefully
1
we
hour.
win. But if not,
With
we'll get,
her money, because I already lost all mine.
if not, we'll get White Castles in the morning.
Oh, we're getting White Castle no matter whether we lose or win.
No.
We'll finance them.
No, I want to win.
No, we're gonna finance the White Castle if we lose.
They're take out a credit.
All right, so we'll see you next up the Venezia
Yeah.
on February 2nd for another 8-day. Oh, and you'll love these two, Kevin and Chris. You've seen them before.
8 days?
Yeah, it's a different cruise. We're going to St. Croix for the first time ever. Say goodbye, babe.
No, I want to say these martinis, chocolate martinis.
Oh.
By Daniel is so good. Are they good? They're so good.
That is why we drink them, because they're so good.
So good.
All right,
Cheers.
see you tomorrow. We're going home tomorrow. Oh, hey, home.
We won't see you tomorrow, but you might see us.
You might see us.
We will not see you.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Bon voyage. Hi, here I am with Daniel here on the Mardi Gras.
Yes.
Best bartender ever.
He's
What's your favorite channel, Daniel?
We love Daniel.
Your channel, Patrick.
Yeah, Party of Two Cruising, right?
And Party of Two Cruising.
Come see him. He's at the Central Bar, and then Center Stage, and then he goes to the casino.
Thank you, Daniel.
Make sure you look up Daniel.
Have a safe trip tomorrow, guys. Thank you.
Daniel. We love you.